So I recently had to do a big move while on tour and had one day to do it. But these incredible movers, of course, made it a piece of cake. My experience was incredible. They managed to pack everything in my apartment, starting with the major furniture, like my 4-piece sectional couch, and disassembling both queen-size beds as well as reassembling them at my new place. They also wrapped everything so carefully so that nothing got damaged or dirty. They handled with care all my miscellaneous things, as well as my clothes and shoes, which if you know me, I probably have too many of. They even took all of my fiance's heavy-duty gym equipment. They were so accommodating, fast, and efficient, they went above and beyond. So I had a little dancey dance right here because I was just so excited. We definitely all became besties at the end of the day. I mean, I really couldn't have asked for a better moving day. Thank you, piece of cake.